Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense shows that an action started in the past, continued for some time, and ended before another past action or time. Positive sentence structure is subject plus had been plus before plus object. She had been studying for hours before the exam started. He was tired because he had been working it all night. Negative sentences. The structure is subject plus had not plus or hadn't been plus before plus object. I had not been studying for the test. She had not been feeling well all day. We had not been working on the project for long. They had not been sleeping well. The phone rang. Thank you. Follow for more.